ADC CEM Purna Chandra Jamatia and Mever Kumar Jamatia went at Agartala GB Hospital to visit the students, those who got hurt on the hands of police during the protest. Total of 15 students were brought to Agartala GB Hospital as per report. Among them, 3 to 4 students were seriously injured.
On the demand of Roman script for Khorang, while submitting the deputation, the police threw hot water and tear gas to the TISF members. In the incident, total 15 students of TISF were injured. The injured students were sent to the Agartala GB Hospital. After the incident, ADC CEM Purna Chandra Jamatia and Tripura Mever Kumar Jamatia visited Agartala GB Hospital to see the injured ones. Total 15 students were admitted to the hospital. In between that, 3 to 4 students are in a very serious condition. This incident was condemned by ADC CEM Purna Chandra Jamatia and ex-minister Mever Kumar Jamatia.
Injurung jak boro hospital kelaijak 15 jon moto hospital kelaijak baksa discharge manai borone backring o dukho mambai kha bokro o dukho mambai kha khakla o dukho mambai kha borobno sung naikha boroni like condition haya 3-4 jon tongu borono sung doctor bai malai bisakha kaham ke treatment khainani bagai proper treatment khainani bagai sin party ni hoite mothani hoite sung borono busubanai Doctor ono musung continue communication narakne oma hai gotna Tripura hawo belai ke Chini Tripura sani upor akromon khaimani nindoniya gotna omona sung selengu tani ke sung Chini hawo Chini odhikar ni bagai movement khaimani porjonto chuno usko brojaglia phainai chalo Chini oma hai obostha solei tongke Tripura sarone nijini mathai nijini odhikar Boni bangoi movement khaibani porjonto chuno jaga rojali angka chung ageo bo ma hai gotna nogu thaika tabo bu nogu tongo ulo bu haine omo belaike Chini bagai kinima sungsa ngoi phaiu chung tei bu krang movement ma khaine oroni wo jotni sai lasima sungsa gotna angka salano hinke buri ro lathi charge khaiu buri no hinke chalaro lathi charge khaiu police ni omo hai tongmo control ma khaine rajya sarkar ni thane ang Omon sarani musugo omo hai gotna jate poroboti kalo tangthung omo chung naiu ambai
Like unfortunate Gurubai Gom Thangka Chini student wing the Promothani ASF Rock Bro Kasha rally Claimani Bro peaceful rally Bro Governor no deputation Demani in the Melbourne Summit Kenya one of municipal Kumar Kita Boro Kachara Boro Ada Kaika Bro Bakaka Chini Sojon Chini student do Bro Thanga Governor House Thanga Charton Bro Governor House Thanga Namran Summit Kenya Bagai Kiawa Governor Bro no Malaysia Governor ni Secretary Kanaka Boro Bo Bro Namran receive Kaika Kachara Chrairo Cha Santustongka Governor is our guardian Governor Kut Chini state guardian head of the state the very importantly ama hai kisa sewan choka among gisabro among laikya kinifiaba obele wana ma sinsa police administration ang strong condemn khlayo ang green khlayo anais lego bike le chini sikla rabno chini student rabno for peaceful movement Santi Simla Nare Bro Kaito Mano Bro Lati Charge Kaika the Rock Sarka yes air gas Rock Sarka Ameleke Chaya Bruno peacefully Fox Hawa Bihite our solve Kame Kamu it is Hatjon 7 Chini Siklaro student dog in Jurunka Alvesi Tinjon Belay Cherias Naifeka total 15 high in Jurunka 15 in Kano Cherias Price Hatjon Amazon Naifeka Takfano Chini Barat Chini as a student Burui Kampung Sakama Tunurani Deborma or Takon Cox Kamayako Senless Siviton of Pisang Bunduni Boni Kok Dotapon Payako or get Senless in Tongalako one of us or Pangos one I know over Andalon Sintawati Pramotha strongly Singaporean movement Kainai. An aggressive movement kainai so immediately Chini senior leader of Assault right now Atos China Chini next course of action strategy tam khainai obo chini just beginning they are strongly condemn khaigo on behalf of the promother chini the police profession pura kaham ke tekel randia abo chung nukha and especially the police involved the police is rhino officers khainai bunai abarno da suspend khaina bagai chung salainai when home minister is the chief minister oni department nang chief minister koinai that the peaceful body investigation khaithong the police culprit police rock the involved nai chini student bunai rock top nai rong no that they suspend khaina bagai chung salai ambai.
However, police put an allegation on students of throwing bottles and stones. That is why, seeing no other way, they has to lodge baton charge. ADC CEM Purna Jamatia spoke in his disappointment on the incident of the male police beating up the women and female police beating up the male student. Reported by Krishanu from Agartala, Chini Khorang.